Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will begin by securing administrative access and choosing where controls live. Sign into the admin account on the device or router and create a separate parental profile now. Make sure the operating system and apps are updated so parental features are available. Decide whether to apply limits at the router or directly on each device, because router-level blocks cover every device, but device controls offer app-level granularity. Once done, record usernames and a strong PIN you will use to manage settings. You should now build profiles and tune restrictions for each child. Create or select an age-appropriate template, then customize screen time windows and daily totals. Enforce bed and homework hours so limits are predictable. Block or allow specific apps and games, and set purchase approvals for app stores to prevent surprise charges. Turn on content filtering for web and streaming, selecting categories to block and safe search enforcement. Make sure to sync settings across devices or enroll devices in the parental management ecosystem, so rules apply consistently. Finish by testing every profile and device. Sign in as the child, try restricted apps, and verify filters block intended content. Turn on activity logging and weekly reports so you can review usage and refine rules. Enable push or email alerts for blocked attempts. Educate your child about the rules and consequences so the system reinforces expectations. If something fails, first reboot the device or router and reapply the latest update. This simple restart resolves most syncing and permission issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.